Wow, chicka, wow, wow. Hey guys, I'm Abby Sharp. Welcome to Abby's Kitchen. The temperature is definitely dropping and the holidays are like around the corner. So if your schedule is looking anything like mine between the holiday shopping and the entertaining, you probably need a drink. So today I have you covered with 3 of my all-time favorite warm and cozy cocktails. All of these drinks are completely vegan, they're dairy-free and they're gluten-free, and they are absolutely delish. So let's do this. First up, my cozy coconut cocktail. To a sauce pot, I add some almond coconut milk and some unsweetened cocoa powder, and I stir it over medium heat. Once the cocoa powder has dissolved, I add some spiced rum and I take it off the heat. Next, I pour it into my mug, top it off with some coconut whipped cream, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and some toasted coconut chips. Enjoy! Next up, my spiced pumpkin cider. To a sauce pot over medium heat, I add some apple cider, some sliced ginger, and some pumpkin puree. And I give everything a good whisk until it comes together. Add some bourbon off the heat, then give it a good strain. And then pour it into your serving mug. Top it off with some pumpkin pie spice, some apple chips, and a cinnamon stick. Enjoy! Finally, my dirty chai almond tea. To a sauce pot, I add some almond milk, chai tea bags, star anise, and cinnamon sticks. And I let that simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then I add some maple syrup and some Kahlua off the heat, as well as some almond creamer, and I give everything a good stir. Give it a strain, then transfer the mixture to your serving mug. Finish things off with a little sprinkle of cinnamon and a cinnamon stick, and enjoy. Oh, the booth is here. Yes, my friends. I am your guardian angel of the cocktail, and I have 3 amazing drinks here to choose from. I don't even know where to start, but I'm gonna do a little eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a cocktail by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Oh, a little chai tea action going on here. This is so good. Okay guys, well if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it the thumbs up. Leave me a comment below with some of your favorite holiday or winter cozy cocktails. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you next time on Abby's Kitchen. Bye! I'm just gonna We're good? I don't think we're good. I don't think we got enough footage of me drinking.